guys, Saving with Shay. I was gonna say good morning because you know I'm used to saying good morning, but it's literally 12:35. And so good afternoon, good morning, hell, whatever time you're watching this. Good night. I'm Saving with Shay. We're here for our Walmart weekend haul. Listen, y'all, it's been rough in these streets, in these couponing streets, rebating streets. It's been tough. It's been a struggle. I ain't gonna lie. But if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button. Support your girl. Don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on as well as this video. So listen, I need 15 offers for
my weekend, right? Weekend? Midweek. Midweek? Weekend. Midweek. This is our midweek.
And so y'all listen, it was hard. It was hard. As a matter of fact, I was short one of my offers. So I gotta go to Food for Less right now and get something really super duper stupid cheap. I would get a gift card, but listen, I don't want a gift card. I want a cash. Yeah, I do. And so yeah. So let me know what you guys got in the comments. Yeah, it's rough in these streets right now. Like, the deals are not dealing. I'm hoping that things pick up soon. These people just be speeding through this damn park. Like, where you going? And she got Jesus stuff on the back of her car, and you speeding through, and you got a handicap plaque. Listen, slow down. I feel like, even me, I feel like I slow down a lot. I'm not even that old, but I feel like I slow down. I just be like, some people just be like, you just want to be like, look, ma'am, slow down. This is really, truly not that serious. She probably ain't going nowhere. She probably going home to feed her cat. Oh, really quick with the chips. The coupon, my coupon is still good till the 21st of January. And it does work for checkout 51. Why is my camera's mic is too high? It does work for checkout 51. You can just buy 5 and you can use checkout 51 and it'll be a 55-cent money maker, right? You could do that. What I've been doing is I've been grabbing 10. So if I grab 5 and use the coupon, it doesn't work for checkout 51. But if I grab 10 and use 2 coupons, it works for checkout 51 too. So it's like 2 coupons plus checkout 51. So, you know, you got choices. You got choices. And so without further ado, head into Walmart. See what kind of awesome deals we can grab. If you want to see your girl, you know what to do. Keep on watching. Of course we're doing this deal again, because why not, right? Only thing I'm sad about is they don't have any cheese puffs. That's the only kind that Josiah likes. But listen, we're going to do this deal again. It's on the little bags of chips are 2 for 98 cents or 49 cents each. So for this, you want to grab 5 of them. Total is $2.45. And then we're using this $3 printable right here from coupons.com. It only works with the regular register. And I know a few of you guys said it's not working for you or it's not scanning for you. It definitely does not scan for me in self-checkout. And so it will adjust to $2.45, pay nothing out of pocket, and then it'll make it free. Now, what I've been doing is grabbing 10 on one transaction, using 2 of these coupons. You pay nothing. That's the only way that the offer on checkout 51 is working for me. So getting back to $3 will then make it a $3 money maker for 10 bags, which is definitely not bad. I would check the sister apps because they do have some offers for like 5 cents. For some of the chips. I know Ruffles is one, Doritos is another one. I think Fritos is also another one, so definitely check there. Next up is the C4. These popsicle flavors are so freaking good. So the price at $2. I'm getting back 50 cents on Ibotta. There's also a 10-cent energy drink that it's working for as well. I'm making it $1.40. Now I know there's still there might still be an offer that was buy one get one free on, I want to say it's an aisles offer. I'll have to look for it. But if you have that offer, it would make them really, really cheap. There's also an offer for the Bloom as well. And these are priced at $2.48. So for this, you want to grab 2 of them. We have a buy one, get one free offer through aisles. So you get back $2.48 there. And then we have 75 cents for each on Ibotta. Would make them only 49 cents each. All right, listen. This is like take 17 trying to record this deal because I don't want to make it complicating. But if I feel like it is, well, it's not. It's just me complicating in my head. So this is a combo deal, all right? On Fresh Reward, it's buy the rice cup and buy the side, and you get back $3.25. Limit of 5. I already did it one time at Target, but I'm going to do it here at Walmart since this is where I'm at. All right, the cups are priced at $2.58. I guess they have a new one, the pasta. I didn't care much for the rice, and I highly doubt I'm gonna like the pasta, but it's a great item to donate. And so we're gonna grab 2 of the cups at $2.58 and 4 of the rice sides, or the pasta sides rather, at $1.34. Now I will be grabbing an additional set of the cups so that I can complete the whole deal on Veggie Rewards. But that set I'm gonna be doing for Walmart Rewards, and I won't be using coupons for that set, right? All 6 product is gonna come to like $10.52. I'm gonna use 3 of those printables, which hopefully they scan for me. I know it didn't scan for me at Target. The cashier price modified one of my items. If it does work, that'll bring the total down to $6.02. And then we'll get back $3 for the cups on Ibotta. We'll get back $1 for the rice or the pasta sides on Ibotta. And then we'll get back $6.50 on Fetch. So to make all 6 products free plus a $4.34 money maker. Now I'm going to do a separate transaction with just the cups for Walmart Rewards. I won't be using a coupon for that because it doesn't work on Walmart Rewards when you use a coupon. Ibotta, however, it does, which is cool. So we're going to grab 2 of these on a separate transaction. Again, no coupon used, so we'll pay $5.16, getting back 3 on Walmart Rewards, and then we'll get back $6.50 on Fetch because we're going to be getting the other 2 from this second set. So it's buy 1 rice or pasta side, 1 cup, get back $3.25. So since we only got 2 rice sides here, pasta sides, we're going to get the other 2 here. So it'll make this set a $4.34 money maker. So basically overall for all of these products, it'll all end up being free plus almost like a $10 money maker. Actually, wait, 8, 9. Yeah, a $9 money maker, which is really awesome. So yeah. All right, so next up is the Yogi tea again. I'm going to go ahead and grab it. Priced at $4.98. Now the offer on aisles is now a 50% back. Brings it down to $1.24. Right, so next up is the Culture Pop again. I told you in my last video, I really didn't care much for it. Well, I tried this flavor and didn't like it. And I just tried this flavor yesterday and I didn't like it, but I did like it more than I like this one. So I think this time I'm going to try the orange mango and see how I like that one. Priced at $1.88. Getting back $1 on Ibotta, limit of 2. Makes them only 88 cents. I think we do still have an offer on Veggie Rewards for 75 cents back when you buy 2. So yeah, not a bad deal. All right, so next up is the Country Crock plant-based butter. They don't have the smaller packs here. They're priced at $1.98, getting back $1 on Ibotta, makes it 99 cents, or 98 cents rather. But they don't carry them in my area, which kind of low-key sucks. But if you can find in your area, definitely not a bad deal on some butter. Somebody tell me, when is Ibotta gonna get the memo? We don't want no freaking more warmers. Can we get some oils though? Like the only oils I tend to get is ones that's on clearance. Let me see if I see any over here. Nope, I don't see any. But anyways, listen, y'all. I posted this on my community tab early this morning. It's on the advanced air. I know we don't need these. I know we already know. I already know we got a gazillion. But I'm gonna go ahead and grab it because the limit is 3, which is awesome. So they're priced at $3.98, getting that getting back $4 on Ibotta makes it a 2-cent money maker. Again, limit is 3, so I think I might grab 3 for Walmart Rewards as well as Ibotta. I still have an offer for this for Ibotta. On the single, it's priced at $1.78, getting that back, making it absolutely free. You might still have an offer for this one for $2.50, which I think it makes it like 98 cents for a double pack, which is definitely not bad. And so, yeah. Okay. All right, there's also an offer for the Febreze small spaces. It's priced at $3.24, getting back $2.30 on Ibotta, makes it only 94 cents. Keep your eyes peeled for some that might be on clearance. And so, yeah. Next up is the Gain Scent Boosters. The trial size one, they're priced at $4.94. For this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. That total is going to come to $9.88. Getting back $5.50 on Ibotta for buying 2 makes them only $2.19 each. Now you can always grab the Gain Flings as well. Those are a little cheaper. Priced at $4.88 for the, how many count? 14 count. So 2 of them is going to cost you $9.76, getting back $5.50, making them $2.13 each, which is definitely not a bad deal. Don't you hate when you pull one thing out and they all jump at you? You're like, ah! I'm sorry. Anyways, listen, Mega Red, doing this deal again. It reset first on Ibotta. It's also reset on Checkout 51 as well. There's a $7 coupon on coupons.com. I did use that one last time. It did work for me.
So that's an option as well if you don't want to worry about submitting on like checkout 51. You just want to save at the register, which I always feel like help. I want to save at the register too, but I didn't print the coupon. So we're going to go ahead and grab one price at $10.37, getting back 7 on checkout 51 and 5 on Ibotta. It makes us $1.63 moneymaker. Now, last time I went ahead and grabbed one for Walmart Rewards as well, which I'll probably do today since it's a moneymaker. Why not, right? Who doesn't need extra fish oils? And so definitely is not a bad deal. Next up is the Truvani plant-based protein powder. It's on rollback for $21.97. They have it in vanilla and chocolate. I decided to go in and grab chocolate because, hey, who don't like chocolate? And so we'll get that back on aisles. I'll try to have a link for you in the Google Doc, making this absolutely free. Hi guys. All right, so this is the very last deal. So if you're still here with your girl, you're still watching, I want to see that emoji with the big teeth. All right, so first is on the Colgate total price at $3.96. For this, you're getting back $2.50 on Ibotta. There's also $1 back on inbox dollars, making that only 46 cents. It also works on the deep clean as well. And then last but not least, we have the Max Fresh price at $3.74, getting back $2.50 on Ibotta. There's also $1.50 on inbox dollar, making that a 26-cent moneymaker. Now, if you wanted to, you could grab the Total and the Colgate Optic White, which is priced at $7.96. So both of them is gonna be $11.92, and then you would get back $2.50 on inbox dollars for 2 of them. You get back $2.50 for the Total on Ibotta, $4 for the Colgate Optic White on Ibotta, which is $9. It would bring it down to $2.92 for both of them. Are only $1.46 each, if that's an option for you, because we all have options. And so with that being said, I will see you guys at home for the final breakdown. All right, guys, so here's my complete little haul for today. This worked out pretty good. I did hit my bonus. I ended up going to Food for Less and getting the absolute cheapest pasta that I could find. These were 39 cents. They had some at 39 cents and 49 cents, so I was like, sign me up, shorty. Got back 10 cents on Ibotta, which makes it 29 cents. I think it's pretty awesome. And with that, I hit my midweek. For the Bloom, the Ibotta limit is only 1, so it makes those 86 cents each. I thought it was a limit of 2 or 3, but it's not. It's a limit of 1 for that. What else? Other than that, that's basically it with this haul, y'all. And so everything you see here, which is $115.76. We had $9.80 in coupons. What you don't see is the chips down here. I have 40? No, 20. Yeah, I have 20. And so yeah. All right, so those coupons scan perfectly fine. The coupons for the Norse also scan perfectly fine. I did go to a regular cashier for that. And I did get both the Nor coupon as well as the chip coupon from my IP person. I'll pop them up. I usually pop them up in the video. And so both coupons did scan for me today. And so $9.80 in coupons brought the out-of-pocket down to $105.96. And then getting back $36.48 from Ibotta, $26.94 from aisles. Checkout 51 is $20. Walmart reward is $20. Fetch reward is $13. And last but not least, inbox dollars is $2.50. So getting back a total of $118.92 back in rebates makes this all a $12.96 moneymaker, which is really cool. My sales tax was $7.44, so after tax we still make $5.52. Now, really quick, my receipt for checkout 51 hasn't cleared yet, and I did this afternoon, so I'm still waiting. Now, one receipt, I had both items on it, the chips and the Mega Red, but the other one was between 2 different receipts, and I think when I did it, I accidentally clipped the Mega Red and the chips, and that receipt only had the chips, so I can't submit the receipt for the Mega Red until the one with the chips goes through. So that one I haven't submitted yet, but it did go through last time, so I expect it will go through this time as well. Other than that, I appreciate you guys watching. If you've made it to the end, don't forget to smash the like button on your way out the door. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.